Ah, there we go. Come on. There.
It's ever so faint. Well, it's not in tune. I'll fix that. I'll fix the switch. The volume's fine. But everything else is kind of scratchy. Really high action on this. Two and a half mil action. Quite a bit of relief in the neck.
So I can find the cultists when we all desperately need sleep.
Well, not
without
right now.
anything.
Like tomorrow.
So you propose we camp?
Or we just go and tell Nelio that we're doing things for him and...
Are we helping him, or are we just hoodwinking him once? Just out of curiosity, I want to be on the same level.
I can do a party vote.
And that is the good thing to do, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
I think we should help him.
He seems okay. Not like
I'm
Diego.
so tired. I have never heard of a mask guild before. Changed by us.
She looks you all up and down.
Vibes the way that working out of a house were for the audience, and they made that very, very clear to us. That's all I got. That's it for today. Well, hey, thank you guys very much for tuning into this.
More about it. Ascent Rivals, the game I showed out last week, has like really strong crypto connections, maybe?
Oh, that's a headline.
No.
It doesn't matter. The point is, and the refunds are the second highest restitution award ever obtained by FTC Action. So, bravo, FTC. I mean, Luke and I and everyone knows how Amazon Prime and barley grows. Like,
Okay, give me your idea.
I don't have any.
Oh, thank you.
So one alternative would be to find this supposed cult that is actually within the city, that it's been alluded to and pinned on. Been downtrodden and suppressed by such a culture. My life could have done with a little more colour and softness.
Leading out, there's two taxidermied shields, and on the front of one of the shields is like a moose's head with its big antlers sticking out. But on the other one is a moose's bum, and they go out and they slap the moose's butt as they walk out under the doorway.
Oh,
There's kind of like one above each of the two doorways.
He wants to see them.
yes.
From your description, he did not seem overly fond of either individual.
Honestly, he's just seems mostly fond of his wife and himself. So you make a fake body. How about that?
But this is the backup plan.
Yes. Yeah, so you make a fake body for the backup one.
That is how you would like me to spend the time?
Well, how do you want to spend the time? We can put a
I
mask
can do
on.
that. I will make everything if you need.
Street, you head down to the front, and there's several carts and wares that farmers have brought in from probably 5-6 a.m. to bring in for like 9 to 10, 11.
Actually,
market.
before
Carts and booths and sales merchants in that town square, and
Doesn't even a little fraction.
yeah, just because there's no small.
I think we take it for granted. That doesn't mean that as consumers we shouldn't demand better. I mean, I was pretty upset when Apple made the AirPods Pro 3 downgraded from the AirPods Pro 2 in some key ways that mattered a lot to me. We should definitely, hold trillion-dollar companies accountable when they do things that make their products worse or make our lives worse. But broadly speaking, yeah, I think we just kind of take for granted that there's a computer in our pocket.
Why?
And the one that really kills me is that wizard that comes up like every 3 months, every 6 months. You know what I'm talking about? Where
It looks like you formatted your computer.
it makes you go through the Ubi again,
Yeah.
and like dark patterns the crap out of you trying to get you to
Intensely.
change to Edge.
Intensely. Don't trust they'll do it because they haven't done it in a decade,
Right.
which is too long. 6 headphones. Entering is easy. Just go to vessi.com/LMG and sign up using your email. You can even get 2 additional entries by adding your phone number. And on top of all that, you'll instantly get a 20% off code sent directly to your inbox to use on their site
Parents
until
and
the end of
making
the month.
seduction jokes is too close, Dan. Too close.
What's going on here?
Well, I don't know. I pressed what I think is the power button. Is that? Are you?
It worked for me.
Okay. So here's the U.S. site. Select denomination.
Okay.
And what happens if I add it to cart?
Be done.
What the?
Technically, this wasn't it.
Yeah.
Usually it is, and I'm down with that.
Okay.
But this time,
Oh man. Okay. Let's just do a topic. Why don't we do a topic? Third-party hard drives that they made earlier this year. Literally, it didn't even last for a year. Synology stated in their announcement, this provides users greater flexibility while Synology continues to expand the lineup of officially verified drives that meet long-term reliability standards. By the way, full disclosure, I am invested in Eshtec, the makers of Hex
Over
OS.
the magnets, if you take the dice off it, they'll stay on there.
show it off.
There's a dice that's going to go flying. Oh, you got it? Yeah, flip that bad boy. That is optional. We should actually probably put not included. But, I mean, my God, we say what's included. Surely you're not going to put that. Back in number 1 says Lek. And then do like a bunch of different lengths and corners and stuff. We probably have the majority, I imagine, the equivalent of the building sheets would be sheets of corridors and walls for doing magnetic sprawling dungeons. I think that would be the key.
Yeah.
And the other sheets would be props. Or maybe in the dungeon, the size of a pinhead making a web on the little fisheye lens.
No,
And it was the size of a
Nerd.
pinhead. And I was like, oh my
that
God.
is terrifying.
You got the
though.
Jurassic Park object and mirror, maybe. Close to
Maybe,
the
yeah.
Put it like just a fake gonna, have radio success and all that it did, which was just so incredible. One of the biggest songs of the day.
but at that point in my life, I was kind of like, I was
Fiverr. Find the right freelance service right away.
probably a few others. More recently, Richard Thompson, Jerry Reed. I love his band. And they did this thing where this new government was like, okay, I'm going to do this not in Tony Blair's voice, but perhaps in Mick's voice. Yeah. So the UK music scene is really important to us. Okay. So what we're going to do is the New Deal for musicians. The New Deal for musicians.